Hey, this is Matt with Mage, and this is our weekly tips and tricks series where I talk about the latest and greatest in Mage, new features and functionality that I think will help you build the best data pipelines possible. And this week I'm talking about our new tree view. So the tree view is something we've got a lot of feedback on, something that we feel users really enjoy and find super helpful. And so in the last few releases, we've made a ton of updates to the tree view. So on the right here, I have a dynamic pipeline, creates dynamic blocks. We'll talk about that in another tip and trick series. But you'll notice that the tree view looks a little different. And there's actually some really useful functionality under the hood. So we now have a whole right-click menu that allows us to run blocks, rename blocks. You can even insert blocks between other dependencies or delete blocks independent of whether there are dependencies or not, which is pretty big based on some feedback we've received from users. Additionally, you can click on the connections, and you can both remove connections, which you were able to do before, and add a new block between old blocks. So this new tree view comes with a few other enhancements for specific special types of blocks, like dynamic blocks. So if we go into our runs here for this dynamic pipeline, we now have this super nice grouping functionality. So you can see exactly where dynamic blocks get created and then when output gets reduced downstream. Similarly, if we go to a conditional pipeline, we get some other sort of different grouping for conditional blocks. So not only does this new tree view allow you to edit pipelines with different functionality, with improved functionality, but it allows you to visualize those pipelines in an improved way as well. So that's the new tree view in the pipeline editor. We really like this. It's helped me creating demos a ton already, and it creates some pretty beautiful pipelines. Which, right, that's the whole point, is to make data beautiful. So I'm Matt, this is Mage, and this is the new tree view in the pipeline editor. We hope you really love it, and let us know what you think. Peace.